How to turn on comments on YouTube on your phone. Hey everyone, if you are trying to turn on comments on your YouTube, this is how you do it. First of all, you're going to have to open up your YouTube application on your device and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will need to head over to the U icon that you see at the bottom right corner. Once you land on this page, you can scroll down until you find your videos. You need to have at least one video posted to change the settings. So go to your videos. As you guys can see here, I have two videos. So now all you have to do is tap on the three dots that you see at the right side of your screen. And then from here, you will see the edit button. Just tap on it. Now all you have to do is scroll down until you see the bottom of your screen. Here is comments. As you can see, the comments are off right now. So to turn it on, you can just tap on it and then turn on comments. But the comments are disabled for this video because this is set as made for kids. So you're going to have to change that first. You can see the view held comments in studio as well. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to change the audience and no, not made for kids. I'm going to do that and then go back. Now then, I'm going to tap on comments. And as you can see, I have an option to turn on the comments. You could also change this moderation. And that's pretty much it. That's how you turn on comments on your phone on your YouTube. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.